All right, let's take a look at question number 3. Question number 3 tells us that a car travels 60 kilometers in an hour. If it does not change its speed or its direction, how far will the car travel in the next hour? Okay, well, this is a pretty easy one to begin with. If I know that a car goes 60 kilometers in 1 hour, in my distance, speed, and time triangle, 60 divided by 1 gives me a speed of 60 kilometers per hour. All I would have to do is say, okay, it's going to go for another hour. That's going to change it from 1 hour to 2 hours at 60 miles an hour. Now in the DST triangle, when the numbers are beside each other, we multiply, and 60 times 2 is 120. And that answer is here. That is a fairly simple one, and hopefully you got that one worked out just as quick.